change the world, I'd make us have a bee every single day, and also have world peace. Maybe world peace should be first. World peace and then a bee. Wait, let me start over. If I could change the world, I'd make us have world peace and also be a bee every single day. When it's a bee, you can't pretend to be someone else. It's like sword art online, only with cosplay and less crummy. It's a full-time gig, looking just like who I wanna be. Once a year I con crunch, suffer but dream big. I'm brewing in my room till my debut at 6 p.m. I can be what I wanna be with cosplay. I can be what I wanna be at cons. Be somebody new, do a total transformation. Crossover or retro too. It's up to your imagination. I give you Sailor Hell. I can be who I wanna be at AB. A cosplay girl in cosplay band singing cosplay tunes. Cosplay owie boys in love or cosplay Sailor Moon. I can be a cosplay robot or a cosplay ballet dancer. I can be a cosplay doctor and cure some cosplay cancer. That's not right, is it?
No.
I can cosplay cure some cancer.
No.
I can cure cause cancer.
Cause cancer doesn't exist.
I did it.